Hey guys, welcome to Java Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to talk about conditional constructs in Oracle. So let's start. Guys, conditional constructs check the validity of a condition and accordingly execute the set of statements. The conditional construct supported by PL SQL is an if then else. But if inside the if you can have an else if condition and then else condition, something like that. So we can have a nested if else condition as well. Now the complete syntax of if then else statement is, so here you can see if condition. Condition is nothing but that this is an expression which has to be evaluated as true or false. If this is null, condition is null, evaluated as null, then that will be considered as a false. If this condition gets true, then whatever statement we have in then that will be executed, right? If this condition becomes false, then else if condition will be evaluated. If this is true, then whatever statement we have inside the then in else if condition, that will be executed. If this is also gets false, then whatever statements we have inside the else, that will be executed. Guys, this is the theory, but let's go for the practical example. So here is my SQL developer, and here I'm going to show you one use case. Let's assume that we have a new column class in EMP table which has values low, medium or high depending on the value in the salary column for the particular employee. So let's say we have to write a PL SQL block for carrying out this operation for employee number 7369, right? So here if you look into the employee table, we have a column is called class. Just I have added all values currently showing as a null. So if you look into the employee number 7369 whose salary is $800, so we will check based on the certain condition what has to populate in the class. So let's come back to the PL SQL block. So here I have written a PL SQL block. So initially we have a declaration section. There I have declared two variables, v underscore emp sal and v underscore class. So v underscore emp salary, that is a type of number, and we have a 7 comma 2. So total we can store 7 digits after decimal 2 digits, and we have a v class varchar2 size of 10. Now begin starts here and ending over here. So and always end with the semicolon, that you have to keep in mind. Now I am selecting select salary into v underscore emp sal from emp. So basically I am selecting a salary column from employee table and putting into this variable what we have declared earlier in the declaration section. So if in PL SQL if you are using anything within the block which is from begin to end, so before using any variable you have to declare first, right? Now this is why we are checking for the employee number 7369. That's why in where clause we have given the 7369, right? Now salary, we are selecting salary from EMP table for employee whose ID is 7369 and putting it in this variable, right? V underscore EMP salary. Now we have different conditional construct. First we have a if we are checking in this variable, right? If salary is less than 2000, then v class, what variable we have declared earlier, we are just assigning a value is low. If this gets false, then we have a else if condition, right? In else if condition we are checking if salary is greater than equal to 2000 and less than 5000, then we are assigning in this variable medium, right? Else for rest of the salary we are assigning high in this v underscore class. And finally if it starts here and ending here, right? Now we have to update whatever value has been stored in the v class, we have to update into the database. So that's why we have to write the update emp set class equal to v class, whatever value has been stored in this conditional construct, where employee number equal to 7369. So let me run this block, right? So if I run this block, then let me show the output. Output is saying that PL SQL procedure successfully completed. If I go to the employee table and refresh, then here you can see value low has been stored. Why low? Because this employee salary is 8,000. If you look into this conditional construct, so here not 8,000 but 800. 800 is less than 2,000. So that's why we class has stored low, and same is getting updated in the employee table, right? So tomorrow if you want, you can convert this basically a PL SQL block into a stored procedure. Only what you have to change, you have to make this employee ID as a input of the stored procedure, right? So yes, so you can accept this employee number dynamically, right? So in this video tutorial, just we are learning basically how to create, how to make use of different kind of conditional construct in PL SQL block, right? So whenever we'll start learning like stored procedures and functions, then we'll see how we can create a kind of a store procedure or functions. So guys, that's all I have in this video tutorial, guys. Big thank you, and see you there in the next video tutorial.